This late-breaking work explains the process through which we applied the critical incident technique to the work of Deliveroo riders, a form of gig economy food delivery service, as well as our reflections having done this. It is one part of the Flip Gig project, which seeks to understand how digital technologies can be designed to empower rather than exploit couriers in the gig economy. This work was motivated by a particular problem, this being that gig economy work is increasingly mediated by algorithms. Much of the literature that exists around this understands these algorithms as working in ways that are particularly unfair. We wanted to better understand how the process of job and fee allocation worked for Deliveroo riders, as well as their experiences of unfairness. Unfortunately, the project started in April 2020, just as the COVID-19 pandemic was taking hold in the UK, and our usual methods of interviewing and workshops were not available to us. It's because of this that we turned to the critical incident technique. Though it's been used across many different contexts, in HCI it is most often used in usability evaluation. In short, it asks users to report on positive or negative incidents that have happened with a product or service at different stages of the development process to allow for improvements to be made to that product or service. Some adaptation in the method was required. We are not developers, nor were we looking for ways to improve the algorithm. We made questioning more open and more easily understandable outside of usability evaluation. The general intention, though, stayed the same, collecting reports from users about incidents and asking them to make assumptions about causes and better outcomes. The 26 reports that we collected, though, surprised us. Most of the reports were for incidents occurring outside of the algorithm. There were 36 codes of this when compared to the 22 reported from the algorithm. There were many incidents involving customers, restaurants, and even other city actors that produced moments of unfairness in the work. These accounts challenged our understanding of the project and changed the focus of later work from the algorithm alone to the broader context in which it operated. Rider assumptions have proved critical to our understanding of our context and have challenged our own assumptions about what the issues of unfairness are in this space. It is because of this that we wanted to start a conversation at SIGCHI about what the role of assumptions are in HCI research more generally. How do researcher assumptions constrain or enable good research? And are we mobilising participant assumptions in our work to good effect? In addition to this, what other established HCI methods can be used for new contexts? And are there other methods associated to usability evaluation that could be used by non-developers to quickly and effectively scope new contexts? This work is a collaboration between Lancaster University and the University of Southampton. We extend our gratitude to the couriers who participated in the research and who helped in recruitment.